This video is going to tell you how to install the Anaconda distribution of Python, the programming language. The first step is to open up a browser window and type Anaconda into the search bar. It should be the first hit. Click through to the website and then click through onto Products, Individual Edition. You can see that a download has come up and it's recognised that I'm using a Windows machine. I've hit the download button and it's starting to download. This is quite a hefty download, 510 megabytes, but it's just finishing now and we can click on the installer. So now we go through the install instructions, and the default path on Windows is C users your username. We're going to take the recommended option here, which is to register Anaconda 3 as my default Python environment. And importantly, this is going to allow other programs such as Visual Studio Code to detect that Anaconda is already installed on the system. Okay, that's all finished. Anaconda installed successfully, and now you should find that you have some new options in your start menu alongside a new installation of Python. So we're going to go to the start menu and we're going to type Anaconda in, and some options have appeared, but the one we're going to choose is the Anaconda PowerShell prompt. And when we click on that, that's going to start a new terminal window, which is this thing here. If you're on a Mac or on Linux, then you should just be able to fire up your regular terminal application and find that base has been added to the text before the command line prompt. If you don't see this, then try typing conda init to kick off conda and have it be recognized by the command line program. You can see here that at the start of the line it says the word base. And that's because we're currently using the base Anaconda environment of Python. And we can see what packages have been installed in that base environment of Python by typing conda list into our PowerShell command line. So you can see that we've got a long list of packages now. Let's just take a look at those. And if we scroll through to the P section, then you can see that we've got a version of Python installed and it is 3.9.7. Okay, well, let's just have a look at this version of Python by typing Python into the command line. That's launched an interactive Python command line shell, and we can try that out by running some code. There you go. That is how to install the Anaconda distribution of Python on Windows. Now, of course, using Python in the terminal isn't the rich, interactive experience that you really want. So in the next video, we'll be looking at how to install Visual Studio Code and use that to interact with your Python console.